Meta tags are snippets of code that tell search engines important information about your web page, such as how they should display it in search results. They also tell web browsers how to display it to visitors. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Let's look at the 4 most important meta tags for SEO. Meta title. This is the page title that Google and most other search engines show in search results. Titles are critical to give users a quick insight into the content of a result and why it's relevant to their query. It's often the primary piece of information used to decide which result to click on, so it's important to use high-quality titles on your web pages. Here are some best practices. Write a unique title tag for each page. Be brief but descriptive. Avoid generic and vague titles. Use sentence case or title case. Create something click-worthy, not clickbait. Match search intent. Include your target keyword where it makes sense, and keep it under 60 characters. Meta description. The meta description summarizes the page's content. Search engines often use it for the snippet in search results. Here are the best practices. Write a unique description for each page. Try to summarize content accurately. Avoid generic descriptions. Use sentence case. Create something click-worthy, not clickbait. Match search intent. Include your target keyword where it makes sense, and keep it under 160 characters. Meta robots. The Meta robots tag tells search engines if and how they should crawl your web pages. The best practices here are use Meta robots tags only when you want to restrict the way Google crawls a page. Don't block pages with Meta robots tags in robots text. Meta viewport. A Meta viewport tag sets the visible area of a web page. It is used to instruct the browser how to render the page on different screen sizes, for example, desktop, tablet, or mobile. The best practices are use Meta viewport tag on all web pages. Use a standard tag unless you know what you're doing.